Good morning, everyone. This is Kodesh Shah, and once again, welcome to Swift Programming for Beginners. As usual, we will be using repo.it/languages.swift. Here, you can type in all the code, and you can follow along as I describe today's lesson. So for today's lesson, we're going to talk about string operations. In the previous lesson, we did arithmetic operations with numbers. We also did compound assignment. We also did comparison operators and also logical operators. So today we're going to talk about string operations. So let's get to it. So let's start with a very simple example. So let A equals good. Let B equals morning. So if I want to combine these two strings together, I can do it quite easily. And just use the operator for addition. So that would be A plus B. And then I'll do a print statement. And when I run, see, I get good morning. Okay. If I want a space between good and morning, a couple of ways you can do that. First is that you put a space after good. Another way of doing it is that you can add a space in between the A and the B. So A plus space plus B, and you click on run. So you get good space morning. Now, let's say, for instance, if you want to include other types of variables into the string. So let's say, for instance, let D equals there are. So E is an integer. So let's see what happens when we do this. So you're going to get an error, and I've already established that Swift has type safety. That means you can't use the same operator if the types that you're trying to add are different types. So there are a few ways that you can get around this. Sometimes you might think that this is a way of doing it. Actually, this does work. There are 30 days in April, but it's not really a good thing to do, because sometimes we need that to be a number so that we can perform calculations on it. So we can actually do casting. That means we can take an existing type and try to cast it as a string. So E is 30, and then I just cast it as a string, like this. So you see, I can get there are 30 days in April. Okay. And then, and the simpler way of doing this is by using type interpolation. So instead of having string open bracket E close bracket, I can do something like this. Okay. So you do a slash open bracket, and then you put a whatever that you want to convert into a string in there, and then you close it. And when you run, you see you get there are 30 days in April. The nice thing by keeping this integer is that you can perform operations on it. So I can do 30 plus 1 here. Change that to May. This should still work. Yep, there are 31 days in May. You can also do that within the type interpolation itself, like so. Okay, so you get 31 days in May. Now let's look at the comparison and logical operators. So let's say, for instance, let h equals hello, j equals hello as well. So we'll do a print statement here. Is h equal to j? So let's run that. So that is actually true. H is equivalent to j. Now note that case is important. So now j is lowercase, it says it's false. But if you wanted to convert an entire string to lowercase, you could do something like this. Okay. We will learn about these in a later lesson, but I just wanted to show you this. So you can see that that converts the string to entirely lowercase, and therefore the result is true. So that concludes today's lesson. You learn how you can combine strings using the plus operator. You learn how to cast other types as a string. You learn how to do string operations, and you learn how to use logical operators on strings. So I'd like to thank you very much for joining me today in the lesson. And we're going to have our next lesson on Monday next week at the same time. And thanks for watching.